Top 5 best food processors and copper set. Number 5. Slicing and pureeing to crafting perfect sauces, these food processors make cooking quick and efficient. Plus, the copper cookware sets on our list add a touch of luxury and superior heat conductivity to your cooking routine. Watch this video to find out which food processors and copper sets are perfect for your needs. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 4. Looking to upgrade your kitchen? In this video, we break down the top 5 best food processors and copper cookware sets of 2025. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just want to make meal prep easier, these must-have appliances and cookware will transform your kitchen game. We've done the research to bring you the top-rated models, highlighting key features such as performance, durability, and value for money. From chopping, check latest price, visit the description link. Number 3. Cookware sets, evaluating them on key features like heat distribution, durability. Copper cookware is known for its unmatched heat conductivity, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly and quickly. With its beautiful, polished exterior, copper cookware also adds a luxurious touch to any kitchen. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 2. These top-rated cookware sets help you cook with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, cook healthier meals at home, save money by skipping takeout, and make your kitchen feel brand new. Whether you're emmering hearty stews, searing the perfect steak, or whipping up quick weeknight dinners, the right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 1. This small but mighty chopper is perfect for quick jobs, camping, or small kitchens. Many models are hand pull or mini electric style, so you don't need a plug. Just pull or push and you're done. Great for chopping garlic, chili, or herbs without dirtying your big tools. It's compact, easy to clean, and super handy on the go. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. Check latest price. Visit the description link.